Question 3 offers us 48 counters in a bag. There are only red and blue counters, and the number of red counters to the number of blue is in the ratio 1 to 2. Helen's been asked how many red counters there are in the bag, and her answer is there must be 24 because the ratio is split 1 to 2, half of 48. Is she correct? And give a reason for your answer. Well, she's not correct because she's misinterpreted the ratio 1 to 2. So if the ratio of red to blue counters is 1 to 2, it means for every one red counter in the bag, we've got 2 blue. So if you think about a micrototal for a new bag of just 1 red counter, there must be 2 blue counters as well in that bag, making 3 counters. So the red proportion is 1/3 of the number of counters, and blue 2/3. And that's where she's gone wrong. She's just divided 1 by 2. The number of red counters is 1 divided by 3. So if I have 48 counters in the bag, the number of red counters will be 1/3 of 48, and the number of blue counters will be 2/3 of 48. And that's your answer.